Hello everyone, hope you all are fine. Now, as you know, your PTs are coming, so let's start the revision. Revision of chapter number 2, polynomials. Now, what is polynomial? Poly means many and nomials means term. So, polynomial is an algebraic expression with many terms and in which the powers of variables are whole numbers. Means basically what is polynomial? With the many expression with many terms. Means the expression should be in many terms and the powers of variable are whole numbers. What is this means? Variable means if you have variable x, y, z, etc. the powers of variable should be whole numbers. Means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Means power should not be negative or in fractional form. Power should be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So this is polynomial. Now polynomial in one variable. What is polynomial in one variable? Polynomial in one variable is expression consists of one variable only. Means in which only one variable is included and the power of variable should be whole number. For example, 2x. Here we have the variable x only and the power of this x is 1. If no power is there means the power is 1. Now next example like x cube minus x square plus 4x plus 7. Now here the variable is x means only one variable is there and the power of the variable is here 3, here 2, here 1 and here x raised to the power 0 we can write. So the power is in whole number form. So this is the polynomial in one variable. This is the example of polynomial in one variable. Means in which only one variable is included and the power should be whole number. Now like I am taking one example. It is there in your question number 1, exercise 2.1, x raised to the power 10 plus y raised to the power 3 plus t raised to the power 50. Now is this the polynomial in one variable? No, because in this expression three variables are there, x, y and t. Power is in positive form, power is in whole number, but the variables, but we have three variables here. So it is not the polynomial in one variable. Now let's do question number 1. Now question number 1 of exercise 2.1 is which are polynomials in one variable and which are not. Now second part is y square plus root 2. Now here we have only one variable in this expression, that is y, and the power of y is, power of this variable is whole number means 2. So yes, it is polynomial of one variable. Now here 3 root t plus t root 2. Now अब जब इसको देखते हैं तो ऐसा लगता है कि yes, t is the variable, but no. Here root t means we can write this t raised to the power 1 by 2 and plus t root 2. Means the variable is t, that is one variable only, but the power of here, the power of t is 1 by 2 and here the power of t is 1 and the power of the variable should not be in fractional form, should not be in negative form, it should be in the whole number only. So no, this is not the polynomial in one variable. Now this I have explained already, x raised to the power 10 plus y raised to the power 3 plus t raised to the power 50. Means here we have three variables x, y and t. So no, it is not the polynomial of one variable. We have three variables here. So no. Now next point is terms. What are terms? Parts of expression. Parts of expression is called terms. Means example, for example, x cube plus 2x squared minus 3x plus 4. Here in this expression we have 4 parts. This is the first part x cube 2x square is the second part, negative 3x is the third part, and 4 is the fourth part. Means we have 4 terms in this expression, and terms are divided by plus and minus sign. Now types of polynomial on the basis of terms. Now how many types of polynomial? There are many types, but in our syllabus, monomial. First type is monomial. Monomial means expression having one term only. For example, 2x. For example, 7. For example, 3x square. So 2x is monomial because it has only one term. 7 monomial, 3x square monomial. Now next is binomial. Binomial, expression having 2 terms. Example, 3x square minus 2x, 4x plus 7, etc. Here we have 2 terms, 3x square is the first term and minus 2x is the second term. So expression having 2 terms is called binomial. And trinomial. Trinomial, expression having 3 terms is called trinomial, like 3x square minus 2x plus 7. Here we have 3 terms. So it is the example of trinomial. And polynomial, as you know, many terms, in which expression having many terms is known as polynomial. Now degree of polynomial. The highest power of the variable in a polynomial is called the degree of the polynomial. The highest power of the variable. For example, 5y raised to the power 6 minus 4y raised to the power 2 minus 6. Now here the variable is y. Now here the power of y is 6 and here the power of y is 2. The highest power. Here the highest power is 6. So the degree of this polynomial is 6 because it is the highest power. So the definition of the degree of the polynomial is the highest power of the variable in a polynomial is called the degree of the polynomial. Now come to the question number 3. Question number 3 is, give an example each of binomial of degree 35. Binomial means 2 terms. Expression with 2 terms we have to write. And degree should be 35. Means highest power should be 35. Now we take x raised to the power 35. And one more variable we can take, one more degree we can take, x raised to the power 20. The next power should be less than 35 because the degree binomial of degree 35 means the degree is the highest power and degree should be 35. Now we can take x raised to the power 35 plus 7, this also, and we can take x raised to the power 35 plus 3x, anything we can take. Now the next one is monomial of degree 100. Monomial means one term only, expression with one term. X raised to the power 100 we can take. The degree should be 100, so x raised to the power 100. This is the answer of this. Okay, now question number 4. Question number 4, write the degree of each of the following polynomial. I am writing the question. Question number 4. Write the degree of the given polynomials. Write the degree. Now, first part is 5x cubed plus 4x square plus 7x. Now here variable x, and the power of this variable is 3, here 2 and here 1. The highest power is 3. So the degree is 3. Now one more I am taking here, third part, 5t minus root 7. Now here the variable is t and the power of this t is 1. We can take 1 here. So the degree is 1 here. Now part number 4 is 3 only. Part number 4 is 3. Now what is degree? Degree is the power of highest power of the variable. Here we don't have the variable. And what we can take here, we can write this 3x raised to the power 0. X raised to the power 0 means 1 हो जाता है, and 3 into 1 is 3 only. So here the degree is 0. Here the degree is 0. The power, highest power of the variable. Here we don't have the variable, so we can take variable x and the power of the variable should be 0 here. Okay, now the next topic I am taking. Now types of polynomial on the basis of degree. Now we have discussed types of polynomial on the basis of terms, that is monomial, binomial and trinomial. Now on the basis of degree is linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial and zero polynomial. Now linear polynomial. Linear polynomial means degree 1, the polynomial with 1 degree. The polynomial with 1 degree. Yeah, with degree 1 we can write. Polynomial with degree 1. For example, 4x plus 5. Here the variable is x and degree of this x is 1 only. And one more example, t plus root 2. Here the variable is t and the degree of this t is 1 only. So this is linear polynomial. Now quadratic polynomial, the polynomial with degree 2. Polynomial with degree 2. Now for example, 5 minus y square. Here the variable is y and the power of this variable is 2. So this is the example of quadratic polynomial. Now cubic polynomial. Polynomial with degree 3. Polynomial with degree 3. For example, 2x cubed plus 1. Now here the variable is x and the power of this x is 3. So the degree here is 3. So it is cubic polynomial. And zero polynomial. Now here 0 is called the zero polynomial. And the degree of 0 is not defined. Degree of 0 is not defined. This can become in MCQs also or in fill-up form also. Okay, now one question is there, question number 5. Classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic. So this is based on this topic. So I am taking now question number 5. You have to identify linear polynomial or quadratic polynomial or cubic polynomial. Linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, and cubic polynomial. Now first part, x square plus x. Now here variable x power 2, variable x power 1. So which is the highest power? 2 means it is degree is 2, so it is quadratic polynomial. And one more example I am taking, that is 7th part, 7x cubed. Now here the variable x and power of this variable is 3, means degree here 3. Degree 3 means which polynomial? Cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. And one more example I am taking, that is 5th part, 3t. Here the variable is t and the power of this t is 1, means degree is 1, and it is with 1 degree. Expression with 1 degree is known as linear polynomial. So linear polynomial. Okay, the next point is coefficient. Coefficient is the multiplying factor. For example, 5x. Now 5x coefficient, if we have to find coefficient of x here, so what is the coefficient of x here? X is multiplied with this 5. So coefficient of x is 5. And one more example is 7xy. Coefficient of x. What is coefficient of x? Means x जिससे मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है यहाँ पे, x किससे मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है? 7 से भी हो रहा है and y से भी हो रहा है. तो coefficient of x is 7y. Now one question is there in your book. Question number 2. Write the coefficient of x square in each of the following. Question number 2. You have to find the coefficient. I am taking your part number 2. Minus x square plus x cube. Now ये coefficient of x, you have to find out the coefficient of x square. Now here coefficient of x square means x square किससे multiply हो रहा है? X square is multiplied with 1. अगर यहाँ कुछ नहीं है तो you can write here 1. So the coefficient of x square is -1. Sign also should be there. Is -1. And one more part I am taking, that is third part, pi upon 2 x square plus x. Now here the coefficient of x square is pi upon 2 x square जिससे multiply हो रहा है, तो pi upon 2 is the coefficient of x square. Now one more part is there, fourth part, root 2x minus 1. Now you have to find out the coefficient of x square, and in this expression, in this polynomial, you don't have x square. So what you will write? You can write here 0 into x square, means 0 into x square means 0 only, so we can write here 0 into x square. Now what is the coefficient of x square? 0. Now hope you understood all these things. Exercise 2.1 we have completed the revision. Now in the next module I will explain exercise 2.2. Now revise this exercise 2.1 for your PT.